Calm down. What are you looking for?
Fuck you! Where's my goddamn candy? I put candy in the goddamn freezer for me. For fucking me. And it's gone. Where's my goddamn candy?
What kind of candy?
What?
What kind of candy?
Doesn't goddamn matter. It was mine.
Okay.
It was mine. Motherfucker. I'm tired of putting shit up your goddamn mother. You goddamn motherfucker.
What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Relax, please.
What am I doing?
Dad, you're going too far here.
I'll show you too goddamn far. Goddamn.
Okay.
Goddamn fucking shit.
Whoa! Okay, this is getting dangerous!
Fuck y'all! That's my goddamn candy! Y'all are always eating my goddamn candy! Goddamn! I fucking hate y'all! I hate every goddamn one of you! That's my candy!
You've gone too far. Oh my god. You gotta calm. You're gonna have a heart attack, man. You ain't had your medication, have you?
Fuck you! It's my candy! My candy!
What kind of candy was it?
It don't matter, my candy!
We can look.
My candy! My candy! Look what you got! My goddamn candy!
You gotta calm down.
My God! Go fuck yourself! I hate you! I hate every goddamn one I have!
Don't.
You my job, bastards! Tell you, man! Clean it up!
Come on, man. We can sal. You gotta. I'm trying to give you time to calm down. Oh, whoa, no. That's it.
I've had it with you! Ain't nothing looked here up! The kitchen is finally closed!
Oh my God, you've done it.
Well, next time don't touch my motherfucking candy!
I didn't touch your candy.
You know, I bet a goddamn princess did. You lied for her goddamn ass.
That's not it, is it?
What?
That better not be it, man.
Uh-oh.
You've gone too far for nothing.
That's my candy.
Oh man, you gotta be kidding me.
That's my candy. Get my goddamn candy!
I'm not giving nothing to you.
Give him. Fuck.
Was this worth the $5,000 in damage we just caused? Because this is it, man.
I don't give a flying fuck! I don't care! I don't care! I got my candy, that's all the fuck that matters. What's up?
No. Are you fine now? What is this?
I'm happy. I'm happy.
What about all this?
What about it? What the fuck about it? I ain't cooking no goddamn more.
Well, we're going out tonight.
We're going where? With what money?
Not to stay in a hotel. I don't want to be in this house.
You need to get a goddamn job. You need a fucking regular goddamn job.